to EA Sports live coverage of this friendly. Today it's Barcelona against Borussia Dortmund. Shirt sleeve weather, lovely sunny day today. So without further ado, we're heading for the Nou Camp. Your commentary team is Martin Tyler and Alan Smith.
Alan Smith alongside me, Martin Tyler, and a big welcome to you to this match. Really breaking into attack now, Mascherano. To make the save. Well, he's lost the ball here. Referee's right on the spot, so he's going to stand for no nonsense with this team. That will be a booking for a player who's more known for the goals he scores rather than the cards he picks up.
It's easy to get up these days, but as a striker, maybe he can avoid tackling.
Charlie! A player who always wears his heart on his sleeve, Carlos Puyol, and his tackling is really a strong point. Hummels. Xavi. He's being challenged now, and it's come to Xavi. The goalkeeper has decided to take matters into his own hands, or should I say feet here. He did a goal! That's a big call by the assistant. The flag has gone up. He would have been in for goal.
Yeah, it was a wonderful opportunity, but looking back on it afterwards, they can have no complaints.
And it's come to Xavi. Towards Messi. Challenges for the ball. Too early, offside. It's Messi. This looks dangerous from Messi. Excellent defensive tackle. Lashikovsky. They're not happy that the free kick's been given. The advantage was played, and they lost the ball. So it seems that the team has been penalised. They've had a double whammy here for Barcelona. A yellow card.
Yeah, I don't think you could have any complaints about that.
What a chance here. Got to be. What's the shot? Not a bad effort.
Not bad, but under the circumstances of a player at this level, you would hope that he could work the keeper there.
And now Iniesta. There's no doubt if you haven't had the chance to go to see a Dortmund game at home in the Bundesliga, or you miss it, you take the chance if it comes along. The passion of their support, and particularly at that end of the stadium, the yellow wall of support, it's incredible.
It is, it's mind-blowing, Brandon.
He takes the shot. Too early, offside. Gundogan. And the cross is in. That is the first goal, and it could be the one that actually shapes the destiny of the day. Well, what a time to get a goal, Alan. Right on half-time. Barcelona delighted.
Well, talk about timing. It was a really beautifully taken goal. He gave the keeper no chance, Martin, did he? And then look at the neck power, the muscles he put into that, really connected with it firmly.
The opposition working extremely hard, really toiling to keep Barcelona from getting a real grip on the game. And so far, it's definitely recoverable for the opponents. Barcelona, of course, at any point can just flick that switch. Well, the referee has signalled for half-time, and it's 1-0 here. You can still see the spring in the steps of the winning team because of that goal just before half-time.
Certainly changed the manager's team talk, that goal. He looks a happy man now.
So we reach half-time. 1-0 the score, with Barcelona leading. Let's take a look back at the highlights from that first half, and then we'll be straight back to your commentary team for the rest of the match.
Show me, bro. But every night you wanna work with me, you wanna tell me stop. I tell you,
is off and underway. Robert Lewandowski. Could be dangerous. They need to try and get the ball back now. Brilliant play. Possibilities for Barcelona. Great chance. Instant judgment and movement by the goalkeeper.
Well, his starting position was very good and he showed a nice bit of pace to get out there.
I'd have thought, as we were talking about earlier, Borussia Dortmund, about their stadium, and to see them play at home in the Bundesliga particularly, it's exceptional, the support, the size of it, and that end, the 9-1 goal with the yellow wall of support. It's nothing like it anywhere else in the world, I don't think, at the moment. Great opportunity. Messi! That's an easy piece of goalkeeping. Blažekovski attacking well here. Daniel Alves. It's Messi. Messi, offside here, stopped in his tracks.
This back four has been really organised and disciplined today, and the first time that caught the opposition offside.
They decided to make a change, and being behind, you can understand that. Pedro.
Skill. Look at the defender. Not good enough.
Gonna cross it. Shot doesn't get very far, blocked away. Now they've got a corner on the attack again, the team that's leading by 1 goal. Puyol. That's good work to keep the ball under the challenge. Brilliant opening. It's a shot. The goalkeeper's had to make a save. The shot was a decent enough one, but too straight. Iniesta. Barcelona still maintaining this 1-goal advantage. Now still one of the great teams to watch, Barcelona. They're evolving. They have a great supply line of young players. When you think maybe the golden generation are going to be moved on through the passing of time, there's someone to step into the breach. And they have, of course, some of the great talented world football at their disposal. It's all been on show here.